Alright, tutorial 2, part 2. So we did the data block. Right, the next step is to write in the data block here. So how to use, so we need to use text. The text command is here, right, with A, right, under text here. Actually, there is few more. There's a multi-line or single line. Multi-line means you want to create a multiple line of text. Single line will be a single line text, right? So I just pick up here the text here, and then I put up where I want to have the text. Let's set that here. So first we need to set the scale of the text, right? As you can see, the scale of the text here, right? The scale of the text, and then the font will be here. You can choose all type of font here, all right? And then the layer here, we learn about the layer later. This is where the justification for the text, all right? And then I think we just do that for now, all right? Okay, so just change this text into 6 and enter, right? Then just type in. All right. Once you've done, click the green mouse, the green check here, and that's it. So we want to move a bit the text here. Click move, space bar, and oh, I want to turn off the auto here. All right. Okay. Then second text, there is few way actually. Yeah, you can type in again here, right? Right, and blah 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 blah. But I'm going to give you a tips, right? I'm going to tips, right? Usually what we're going to do, we just choose copy here. So copy means you already have the text size, you already have the fonts, right? And then this time just turn on the auto and copy. All right, in fact you can copy multiple, and that's it. All right, escape. Okay, so this one here we're going to change to computer design, but we want the text to be slightly smaller. So I put here 5. Right, so I'm going to change this computer design. Right. Okay, never mind. Okay, done. And then here I also want to change the text again. Right, just double click on the text, just put here exercise 1. Sorry. Exercise 1. So I will change the text here into smaller. You can use this as well. All right. When you click the arrow button here, you will save the size that you used before, right? And have your name here. So put the student's name here, not my name, right? So you just put your own name here. Okay. So this is the simple, the easiest data block for today. But I want you guys to come up with your own data block. For next week, I would like to see the variety of data blocks. Please Google about data block for technical drawing, right? There is a lot more than this, all right? But because it's actually just our first exercise, then it should be just a simple data block. All right, the next one will be will be our what we're going to do for today, right? Which is we're going to draw the we're going to separate the box here, the data block, into 4 boxes, right? And then the first box will be lines, second will be basic objects, the third one will be arches, and then the fourth one will be multiple lines here, right? You can create anything, right? Okay, so first we're going to break the box into 4. Right, so now I'm going to introduce you guys with the object snap. Right, as you can see here, the object snap. So I'm going to turn on this, right? I'm going to turn on the object snap here. So then I'm going to pick up the line here. Right. So object snap will allow us to draw the line, right? To that can snap to each end, middle point, center line here, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn on this and turn on the midpoint here, right? Here, press line, look here. So I'm going to create the line, the midpoint of this line here, and to this line here, right? And I'm going to divide this in the middle as well. But the problem is, if I click from here, the middle line of this line is from here to here, right? Okay, so I'm not going to use this, but I'm going to use this one here, the middle line here, right? I'm just going to do up to there and escape. So the next task, we're going to extend this line to the top and the bottom. So I'm going to introduce you guys with the extend. Extend is here, right? Click extend here. So you can see there is trim and extend. They have either both. All right. So you click the objects, right? And then you click the where you're going to extend the line, right? One to the top and one to the bottom. Spacebar, extend, and extend. Actually, there is few more tips. Actually, there is more shortcut to do this, right? But then we're going to go about it bit by bit later. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 here, right? So the first box, I'm going to do this, right? Oh, okay. Escape. So I need to turn off the OSNAP, right? So the shortcut for the on and off the OSNAP, as you can see, is F3, right? So I need to turn off the OSNAP. So I press the F3. So the OSNAP will be turned off. So I'll pick up the text again. Now, when I do the text, now the text box will not snap to the end of the line here, right? So I can just put it somewhere here. All right. So this will be 4, the size of 4. Enter. So this will be lines. All right. Okay. We'll adjust this a bit. And I'm going to press F8 to turn off the auto. That's our shortcut that actually we learned just now. So I have this. Now I'm going to copy the text here from the same location here, the insertion point here, same location, to the rest of insertion point here, same location here, right? Then I'm going to edit the line. So I'm going to just copy here. But then copy the shortcut for the copy is CO, spacebar. And then once you're done selecting object, spacebar again, right? So this time I need the O snap, so then I can snap to the intersection line here. So when I copy the text, it will be copied at the same place for the whole 4 boxes, right? So I press F3. There you go. Copy, copy, copy here, and copy here. Done. All right. So this text here, I'm going to change to basic object. Alright, so I need to pull this a bit, so then it becomes a single line. Yeah, I'm going to change to arches. Okay, this will change into and this one as a multiple object. Right, and I need to, yes, okay. So now this is what you're going to submit for today. We have 4 boxes here. So the first one, I want you guys to fill in with lines, right? With lines or polylines. Create anything, right? That you can come up with line here. Okay. Right, this is just an example here. Okay. I'm going to have an offset, okay, not that much. Right. Anything that you can create with lines, any shape, any pattern. Right. Right. So I'm going to ask you to fill out this. This is an example here. I'm going to extend, spacebar, extend again, spacebar. You can see that, right? Extend again, spacebar. That's actually a simple task of extend. Yeah, right. I'm going to trim here just for example for you guys. For the trim, just now I show you here from here, right? But then this time I'm going to use the shortcut which is TR trim. Same as this. Alright, trim again. Okay. So to use the multiple trim, you can press TR spacebar. So usually I show you to select the boundaries, but if you spacebar again, right, it means that this is actually open trim. It means that you can trim anything, the line, anywhere, right? So this is open trim, right? So when you click double spacebar, there will be open trim. Okay, for the next box here, I want you to draw any basic object that we have. So you can draw the rectangles, right? Draw the circles. I want to create the pattern. The more creative that you have, will be better marks for you. So I want you guys to look at it. Oh, sorry, this net. Turn off the auto here. Triangles, anything, right? As long as basic objects. Right? And the next one is an arches. I want you guys to play with the arches. All right. Fill up the arches with any shape. Let's say you are not able to control the arches, example here, right? Right. The easiest way to control archer is actually click the arch and then press the blue box inside the arch. That's it. then you can get any shape that you want. In fact, arches, they have more. If you click the arrow button bottom here, right, there is more type of arches that you can have. So here actually you can, okay, done with the arches. So the last box, I want you to do multiple objects. What I can say here, actually I want you to do a scenery or anything, right, that you can do, right. Control here. Okay, use box, big box, probably, right. Circle as well. Circle will be some light, probably, right. And then use more light, probably you can have a mountain. Here. Oh, water on the snap. To edit the line, just simple, same thing with the arches now. Yep. Anyway, okay, so all lines here. All right. So just do anything that can produce a scenery here. All right. So I want you to work on this for today, and submit this in the end of the classes, in your end of your class. Right. So how your submission will be, right? You need to print this into a PDF, right?